sustainable policies here. I know who attended my lectures, part of our departmental initiatives. Previously, we used to say about these 3 R's. This is what I said earlier: 3 R's policy: reuse, reduce, recycle. But nowadays, people are talking about 6 R's. So what is this? These 3 R's, sorry, 6 R's is an extension of the 3 R's. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Reduce the waste, reuse some of those items that you are going to recover. Of course, recycle. And whatever you are going to recover, you can always redesign. You can go for remanufacturing. That is where 1 to 6: reuse, reduce, recycle, recover, to remanufacture. What people are nowadays calling as 6 R's. Yeah. So part of the sustainability policies, this 6 R's is very much applicable. What it is? Why I ask you to keep it in mind in terms of design for manufacturing. Now I'm going to say something on that. If you see here at the bottom, sustainable manufacturing should integrate sustainable activities at all levels of manufacturing. Previously, what people used to do, these manufacturing activities, various production planning and control activities, they used to do it in isolation. Yeah, nobody used to speak these things together. Nobody used to come, in terms of discussing the issues down the road, down the manufacturing stream, and people used to do on their own. But at the end, so many ways used to see a lot of rework, a lot of scrap. Yeah. Instead of that, if you are bringing the integrated approach, so integration of product, process, and system. Yeah. So this is what we are talking about: sustainable manufacturing with integration of various entities. Those entities are nothing but these 3 entities. If we are going to integrate, definitely what we are talking about, this manufacturing waste, material waste, and other waste, always we can focus on that in order to be sustainable in any industry, in any nation, regionally, of course, locally.